In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Gemini AI app on Windows 11. This straightforward process should only take about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get your new app up and running in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Gemini website. Make sure you're on an internet connection that you trust to protect your online security. Gemini offers a user-friendly and intuitive interface, so your first encounter with the site should be smooth and welcoming. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your web browser window, where you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the More Options menu, a common feature in most browsers. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, revealing several options for you to explore. What you're going to do next is hover your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. No need to click just yet, as hovering will automatically expand this section to reveal more options. It's a neat function that organizes the tools, making it easier for you to find exactly what you need without cluttering your view. In the list of expanded options, look for the choice that reads Create a Shortcut. Go ahead and click on this option. What this step does is create a convenient shortcut for the Gemini AI app, which allows you to quickly access the app without having to repeatedly go through your browser. It's all about making your experience as seamless as possible. Once the shortcut has been created, the installation is pretty much complete. You'll find the newly installed Gemini AI app conveniently located in your Windows Start menu. Simply click on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen, and you can either scroll through the list of apps or type Gemini into the search bar to locate it quickly. This integration ensures that you always have easy access to your app right within your Windows environment. With these steps, you've successfully installed the Gemini AI app on your Windows 11 system. This installation process doesn't require any technical expertise and is all about enhancing your productivity and convenience by bringing the power of Gemini AI right to your desktop. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you encounter any issues, feel free to revisit these steps to ensure everything was followed correctly. Enjoy exploring all the powerful features that Gemini AI has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.